through the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, every show.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Magpapawis tayo ulit na bubulog. What? Magpapawis tayo guys. Magpapababa tayo ng timbang. Once again, and umpisahan na nila guys. Let's go! Doing Zumba guys is really fun, enjoyable. You burn calories, you exercise, you work out, and at the same time, magkakaroon ka po ng maraming kaibigan if you are so friendly and loving to them. And it is a fun way of, relaxing and enjoying life. So, try it guys, do Zumba guys, and you will see and you will find out. Go ladies, burn more calories and dance for more. I love you po. But of course, it is not happy as always. There's always drama moment, story moment of our lives. And that is the good thing guys, we connect each other. So guys, what are you waiting for? Try Zumba now. Try Zumba, dance fitness, Zumba fitness, dance fitness. It will make you fit and thin and enjoy as well. It is a full pack activity guys. Try it guys. Look for a community that can make you happy, that can make you enjoy and have fun. Look at us. Enjoy nyo lang po yung life nyo while nakaka-move pa po kayo, while nakakakilos pa po kayo, nakiflex nyo pa yung katawan nyo, and nakapagpapawis pa po kayo. Huwag nyo na pong antayin na hindi nyo na po magagawa all those things. Kaya while you can, do it guys. While maaga pa, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Enjoy nyo lang po. Through dancing guys, through Zumba is really fun. So enjoy life lang po guys. To the fullest. Lahat naman po tayo ay papunta doon. So while nakakagalaw pa po tayo, nakakasayaw pa po, nakaka-indak pa, kumbaga, nakakakilos pa po tayo ng ganyan. Do not wait for the time na hindi nyo na po magagawa yan. Hindi na po balance yung katawan nyo, hindi na po kayo nakakasayaw ng ganyan, balance pa, and yung nakaka-turn pa po kayo, and all. So, do it guys habang maaga pa, hindi pa po huli ang lahat guys. While you can move, while you can stretch and all, do it now habang maaga pa. Enjoy life lang guys! Tapos na po kaming mag-Zumba, dance, fitness. And thank you so much, Des. Malapit na yung kaarawan mo. Advance, happy birthday! Stay healthy as always. Stay pretty and stay sweet. God bless you more. And see you all around. Enjoy ka lang sa birthday mo. Mwah!
I know what I'm supposed to do.
Once again, happy birthday to Des, ang aming coach sa Zumba. Happy birthday, Des! Mwah!
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. Better off without me. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. When I'm walking down the streets half naked, it's bothering me, it's bothering me. When I'm making my great makeup, it's bothering me, it's bothering me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what I'm supposed to do.
Wherever you are, ladies, sana happy kayo, and I missed you, ladies. I missed you all. Basta happy birthday once again, Des. And shout out to Jo, Norma, Anna, and of course, Des. I love you, ladies, and alam nyo yan. Mwah! Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. And Alira here is signing off.